Hey Artland, how's it going? So for today's video, I've got something really fun planned for everyone, and I'm going to show you guys how to draw an Among Us skin in a Godzilla style. So I'll be making a Godzilla Among Us skin. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the little kind of face shield. So I'm going to start right here on my paper, and I'm just going to make a little line that comes down. It's got a small curve to it. Then over here, I want to make a nice line that's going to go out and it's going to come back around to here. So we're just going to go out, we're going to curve around and come right back to here to make the face shield. Now, starting right up here, we want to make the top of the head. So to do this, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve around and it's going to come down. So I'm going to go up, I'm going to curve around, and I'm just going to start to come down a little bit. And then I want to bring this line down here. So I'm going to take this line and I'm going to bring it down to about there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over for the foot. Then we're going to make a little line that goes up. Then another little straight line right over here. Now, starting up here, we're going to make a line that goes down. So we just want to go straight down, line up with this foot. We're going to draw a line that goes over and then up. Now we want to add the little pack on the back here. So I'm going to kind of line this up about right here with the little face shield. We're going to draw a line that goes over. It's going to come down and then back over. So right now we have just kind of like the basic Among Us skin. So we want to make this kind of a Godzilla themed one. So there's not much to do, but the first thing we want to do is add the tail. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. Then it's going to come back to here. Then I want to add some spikes going down here. So to do this, I'm going to draw some lines that go up and then down. And I'm going to continue this all the way along the back. So these spikes down here are going to go out and then come back. And then I'm going to add some going down the tail as well. Make them a little smaller as I get towards the end. Now over here on the feet, I'm going to draw a little line that curves up and down. And I'm going to do this a couple more times for some little toes. And I'm only going to put 2 on this side. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla skin from Among Us. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.